Welcome. Today we are diving into IAM, the backbone of AWS security. Think of it as the gatekeeper that ensures only the right people have the keys to AWS Kingdom. Without IAM, AWS would be like a house with no locks, wide open to chaos. So let's understand how IAM keeps our cloud safe, structured, and secure. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM users are like employees in a company. You wouldn't give everyone admin access, right? IAM lets us create users with specific permissions, ensuring that Bob from marketing doesn't accidentally shut down the entire AWS infrastructure. We need order, and IAM helps us achieve that. Before creating an IAM user, we need a few things in place. Think of it as packing for a trip. You wouldn't leave without your passport, right? Admin access, AWS CLI, IAM policies, and a defined role are like travel essentials. Get them ready before we start creating users. Installing AWS CLI is like getting the remote control for AWS. Without it, you'd be manually flipping switches. The installation is straightforward. Download, install, configure, and test. And if something goes wrong, don't panic, just retrace your steps. IAM policies are like the rules in a workplace. Without them, things get messy fast. They define who can access what and ensure people only do what they are supposed to. Think of policies as the office handbook. Nobody likes reading them, but they are necessary. Creating an IAM user via AWS CLI is like filling out an online form, quick and efficient. We simply run a command, define the user, and boom, a new IAM user is born. Of course, double-checking is key. AWS Management Console is your reality check. Permissions make or break security. Giving IAM users permissions is like handing out office badges. Only let people access what they need, nothing more. Remember, too much access can lead to disaster, so be selective and precise. Access keys are golden tickets for AWS API access. But unlike Willy Wonka's golden ticket, these need to be guarded like secrets. Never share them openly. Treat them like you're a TMPIN. Verification ensures everything is in place. It's like proofreading a resume before sending it out. You wouldn't want mistakes, right? A simple check can save a lot of headaches down the line. Managing IAM users is like organizing a guest list for an exclusive event. You need to know who's invited and what access they have. First, clearly define roles. Then, grant permissions carefully, because nobody wants a guest who crashes the VIP lounge. Regularly update credentials to keep security tight. And finally, ensure users follow company policies, just like enforcing a dress code at a party. Let's talk best practices. Think of them as secret ingredients for a perfect recipe. Least privilege ensures users get only what they need, no extra toppings. MFA adds another layer of security, like a double lock on your front door. Monitoring user activities helps spot risks early, like catching a spilled drink before it ruins the carpet. And educating users, that's like teaching guests how to use coasters properly. IAM mistakes happen. Think of them as tripping over a rug at home. Assigning incorrect permissions, that's like giving house keys to the wrong person. Weak passwords are doors left unlocked, change them often. Forgotten inactive users, they're like uninvited guests lingering around. Ignoring security alerts, that's like hearing a smoke alarm and choosing to finish your TV show first. Security is everything. Think of it as guarding a treasure chest. Strong authentication makes sure only the right people get in. Role-based access ensures users don't wander into places they shouldn't. Regular audits catch potential problems, like checking if valuables are still safe. And swift incident response, that's like putting out a small fire before it spreads. Monitoring IAM users is like being a detective, always keeping an eye on the scene. Tracking login patterns helps spot unusual behavior. Suspicious activity detection, that's catching someone sneaking into the vault. Audit reports ensure everything is documented, because proof matters. And compliance. It's the golden rule: follow the law or prepare for trouble. Automation makes IAM management smoother. Think of it as a self-driving car. Identity lifecycle automation removes unnecessary manual work. Role-based access ensures users get exactly what they need, like automated seat assignments. Reducing manual provisioning saves time. No more manual ticket checking. An automated threat response. That's a security guard who never sleeps. To wrap it up, IAM management isn't just a checkbox, it's an ongoing mission. Strong security keeps your system safe. Best practices ensure access remains controlled. Staying vigilant helps prevent risks before they escalate. And automation, well, it's your secret weapon to making things effortless. That's it, folks. IAM management isn't just a tech thing. It's a must for security. Follow best practices, stay ahead of threats, and always look for ways to improve. Thanks for tuning in. Go forth and secure those identities. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.